Newsflash, the Copyright Office has denied protection for AI created art. But what does this mean for you if you're just a coach or an online creator? Stay tuned and I'll tell you about my amazing 10-minute free training that I offer to coaches and content creators. I'm Maria Spear-Alice. I'm an attorney for coaches, healers, and content creators, and I'm going to tell you all about why you need to care about the fact that the Copyright Office has said ain't no protection for AI created work. So let's dial it back and get the scoop. Here is some art that was created via an AI platform. If you've used an AI platform before, you type in a prompt and then the machine creates either text or artwork based on your prompt. Well, the Copyright Office has said, hey, this is not a work of human authorship. This is not a work of authorship. This is something a computer created. Much like a long time ago, there was a monkey that took a photo with a camera, and there was a debate over, well, who owns the copyright of that? Does the monkey own it? Is it just the camera's property? Is it the property of the person who owns the camera? Well, the Copyright Office confirmed that in this case, this piece of art, which was part of a graphic novel created by Christina Kastanova, does not meet the human authorship requirement under copyright law. So what does this mean? Who cares? Why do you care if you're not creating graphic novels? I'm gonna tell you why. If something is not protectable under copyright law, then there's absolutely nothing you can do if someone copies it. Let me say that again. If you create something, let's say a sales page, let's say a blog post, using AI, and someone completely copies and pastes it, it's not your copyright, it's not protectable under copyright law because you did not author that work, AI did. And so if someone copies it, there's nothing you can do about it. Maybe you care, maybe you don't care. Maybe you're just using AI as a quick, easy button to get some content thrown up on your website. But this is a buyer beware situation where you need to go in with eyes wide open. And that's why I'm here. So remember, if you're using AI, which is an incredible new technology, can be an incredible tool for creating content, for creating outlines, for all kinds of things, remember to use your own authorship when you are extracting that content from AI, when you are creating content around the content that the AI has given you, because if you just copy and paste whatever ChatGPT writes out as a blog post on the topic that you give it, you might not be able to enforce your rights if someone else uses it. I hope that helps you understand why AI works don't qualify for copyright protection in the US. Thanks, and I'll see you next time. Head to spear-ip.com to the Legal Apothecary website for my free 10-minute training. You're gonna watch me go through a website in real time and pick out the legal hotspots that I see when I'm looking at a website. Again, it's spear-ip.com.